A Hootsuite organization is the overall structure of how your company's employees and social media networks are organized within Hootsuite. An organization is comprised of teams, members, and social networks. Within Hootsuite organizations are permission settings. These settings help control off-brand or accidental communications, limit password sharing, and give employees an efficient way to collaborate on the company's social channels. In this video, you'll learn how to create a Hootsuite organization and how to manage teams and permissions for individual users. Hootsuite organizations are dynamic, which means you can always change the structure, add or remove users, teams, and social networks. If you're just getting started with Hootsuite, create an organization by clicking your profile picture and selecting Share Social Networks. Next, choose an existing social network to add to your organization. Click to authorize the account. Once your organization is created, you can create teams to segment individual users into groups and then give them access to specific social profiles. You can create new teams by clicking Add a Team. Teams are great for organizing users by function or specific social accounts. For example, you might create a team for customer support agents and assign them permissions just to Twitter. Please note that social accounts can belong to more than one team. If you need to reorganize users within your teams, click on the team you'd like to edit. Hover over a team member, click Settings, then remove them from the team. Now, click the Add button to insert that member into another team. Users can belong to multiple teams at once. To add a brand new user to your Hootsuite organization, for example, if you hire a new employee, under your organization name, click Members. Here, you can invite members by entering their email address, assign them permissions, and add the user to a team. Users within an organization can have 3 levels of permissions: super admins, admins, and default. Think of these permission levels as a pyramid with super admins at the top. Users with default permissions form the base of the pyramid. They can view details for the teams they're on and view social networks they have access to. Admins and super admins have access to all social networks, users, and teams. Super admins are the only users who can manage admins, vanity URLs, billing, and your organization's profile.